Alright guys, so we're doing the upper element now.
Take the
You gotta take the wires off
wires off.
in order to know if the upper element is working. As you can see now it's beeping, the element is working. If you don't hear any beeping, that means something's wrong with the element.
Yeah, the element is done. It's burned. If
Now
there's
same
no,
thing
if
guys,
there's
you
no,
gotta put the wire clockwise.
This one?
Sorry, motion. Why are you screwing that on?
We were checking for the element, bro. If it
What
was
is
working.
this fucking element shit?
That element is
The guy's filming.
it's the thing that's heating the water. Huh? I'm doing it for everyone, bro.
Okay.
I'm posting it.
That element is the reason why you smell good next to us now. I took a shower this morning, right?
Not if I rip
Take
apart
it
right
tomorrow
now.
morning too.
You wanna do what?
Rip a fart.
No, I'm
gonna
wait a week.
Man's about to fart, bro.
Every Christmas.
Have a nice life.
What do you mean?
I'm hungry, fuck. That's what I'm on a break. I need to take a break.
Okay.
We'll keep the water tank tomorrow. So right now, I'm gonna have to
Yeah, it's okay.
And we're done.
And we are done.
we're doing this.